Hello everyone, this is the chapter 2 of Mathematics of grade 2. Today we are going to teach the students about place value. What is the place value? Place value means the number of positions of a number and the value of that position. Okay? You already know these things, but you don't know the proper way. This is called place value. Let me teach you perfectly. I hope this would be very beneficial for your learning. Now, Oris, let's just focus on the blackboard. You start with the way I am showing now. Okay, follow my voice and follow the screen on the board. Okay, the unit value is the unit value. If we put something in the unit value, that means this is the alone number. It doesn't have any number before that or any number after that. That's why this is the unit value. Now, this is the unit value, right? So if you just shift this unit value from here to here, for example, the 5 comes here and there is a 0 here. Now it becomes 50 means 50, right? 50 equals 50. Don't you think that? So if the unit number shift from here, it becomes the tens. It becomes tens. So if there is a number that has two different digits, these two different digits will become tens. That means 5 times 10 equals 50. That's how we get it. These are the tens. The second number is the tens. So unit number and then tens number. Now if we do the same thing, shift this 5 here and there are two more number here, like let's just bring this 5 as well. So it is 550, 550, which is 550. Look at this number. This is 550. Now the 550 here, this is the unit number, this is the tens and this is the 100. If there is three number or three digits in a number, we call it 100. Look at this. How do we write 100? This one is unit number, this one is tens, and this one is hundreds number. So here, look at this 550. That means 550. This 550, it comes with the 100 value. The value of this 5 is 100. The value of this 5 is 10 and the value of this 5 is 1. So whatever is here, it has got 1 value. Whatever is here, it has got times 10 value. Whatever is here, it goes hundreds value. So 550, there are three digits. First digits or the number, if we go from right to left like this, you get the value increased to 10 and the value increased to 100. This is what you should teach them, and make sure you can teach in your native language. Look at this one. If I bring another 1 before this 550, this will get a value of thousands. That means this is 1550. It was 550. That means it had a value of 100. This 5 had a value of 100. This 5 had a value of tens. Now look at this one. This 5 has value of 100. This 5 has value of 10, just like before. This 0 has value of 1 digits. Now look at this one. This 1 has a value of 1000. So if we get a number that has 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, it is 1,000. So the value of this number is 1,000, value of this number is 100, value of this number is tens, and value of this number is 1. This is what the student should be able to learn from this very first thing, the tens, units and hundreds. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's just sum the whole thing up. If we have got one number, it is a unit number. If there is 2 digit, one is unit, another one is tens. If we get 3 digits, it is an 100, right? This one is unit, this one is 10, and this one is 100. If we get a number with 4 digits, it is get 1,000, right? Now 1,000, this is unit, this is tens, this is 100, this is thousands. Now this is what the student should learn from this chapter, or this very first page of this chapter. Okay, once they have learned it, you go to the next one. The next thing you will teach the students about the combination of unit and hundreds. If we multiply between the units and hundreds, we get this. 1 into 100, we get 100. 2 into 100, we get a 200. 3 into 100, we get a 300. 4 into 100, we get a 400. This is how you teach them how we get more number. That means if we put the unit number at the beginning of 100, it gets that amount, or it assumes that amount. Means here, look at this, 1, we get 100. Here 2, we get 200, because this is the 100th place. Whatever number we are putting in this 100th place, we are getting that 100. 400, 300, 200, 100. You can even give this example using the notes of Taka if you have it. Now the next thing can be happen, the same thing we can teach for the 10. If it is 1 and there is a 10, we get 10. If it is a 2 and then 10, we multiply it, we get 20. 30. Okay, now we get 40. Here, look at this. Same thing happened. The unit number we are putting in the tens, we get number value 10. We put the unit number with the tens here, we get the number value 20. The unit number is 3 here, we put it in the tens, we get 30. The unit number here is 4, we put here and we get 40. Same goes for the rest of the numbers as well. Same goes for the unit into thousands. That means if we have the unit number 3 and there is a thousands, we get 3,000. If we have the unit number of 4 and we get a thousands, we get 4,000. Look at this. If we put 4 in the thousands place, it becomes 4,000. That means wherever the unit number is being put, we get that amount of number. Look at this. If we put 1400, here 1 is the thousand number, that means there is 1000, and the 4 is 100 number, we get 1400. We can do the same or can replace it. Look at this, 4100. We're putting the 4, unit number 4 into the thousandth place. That means it is 4000 now, and the 1 is in the 100th place. So we get 4100. This is how if we replace it, we get the numbers. And in order to do so, you go to the next exercise. There is a table. Look at this one. We are dividing the number, breaking the numbers here. So here, look at this. What is this number? 2, 1. It is saying 2 tens, 1 unit. That means 2 times tens plus 1. If we explain it or break it down, we get 21. That's the same thing, and then you ask the student to fill the rest of the table. Look at the next one. It is giving like this, and here that is written 10. So how do we get 10? They should write 10 here. Now how do we get 10? You write 1 tenth. 1 times tens, we get 10. Right? That is the example here. The next one is giving like this: 3 tenths and 6 unit. If there is a 3 tenths, look at this. It should be 3 times 10 and the unit number is 6. Right? It should be plus 6. So we are saying that if it is tens number, it's second, and the 6 is the unit number second. This is how you write 36. And the 36, you write it here. That's how you fill these boxes. It is written 56, write this, right? Rest of the things are not here. So what do we say? 5 tenths, 6 unit, right? It's 56. So you teach the students to do this. The next one is, here we can see 1013. Now look at this. This one is 1013. 1013. This is the number 1013. So here look at this. Unit number is 3 unit. 110, 0, 100 and 1000. This is how teach them. They should fill the rest of the boxes of these exercises. If you cannot do it, you ask me. I will show the whole table. Look at this. The next one, it is showing the large numbers: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 2000, 3000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. You just, here there is nothing you need to do. You just need to teach the student that these numbers are called as this. They should know this, they should learn this. They should be able to write this and this. This is 1000, they should be able to tell us. This is 100,000, they should be able to tell us. This is 1 million, they should be able to tell us. Okay. The next thing, it is saying write the numbers in words. Look at this one. 19. We have taught them how to write 19. Instead of 19, the student should be able to write NINETEE and 19 like this. The next one is 03. It is 3, right? Then 7, the student should be able to write 7. Do these practices. That's how you finish this portion of the chapter. Do not push the student to do all the exercises in a day. It will depend on the effectivity of your teaching. If they can do it fast, you do it fast. If they cannot do it fast, you take it slow. Even if you take more than 3, 4, 5 classes to teach this one chapter, you take 5 classes. There is no hurry in that. but make sure they do it on time. Thus, make sure you take at least 3 to 4 classes to teach these stuffs. Otherwise, student will not learn it properly. Alright guys, see you in the next class. Bye.